see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to.
Good morning, guys. Good morning pa ba? Hindi na. Tanghali na. Alas 12:15 na, guys. Kinuha ko lang yung Japanese sweet potato sa freezer. Air fry natin. Masarap yung Japanese na kamote. Ha? Nothing. Ayan. Apat. Dalawang maliit. Yeah, I need help. So, papatuloy ko na habang nasa air fryer yung ating kamote. Pagpapatuloy ko na yung ating pagta-transfer ng plants dito sa ating garden bed. And, kanina, maagang nagising si Jan. Pumunta siya ng farm, then pagbalik niya, ginawa niya to. Nilagyan niya na rin ng, eto
Hi,
yung,
Paul.
hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, of course.
Can you get that one now, please?
What?
The high chair, gawin natin siya ng tripod. So, habang nasa pagtulog pa tayo, busy na si Jan dito sa pagola. Ginawa niya yung isa, then nilagyan niya na rin nito yung sa ilalim bago ilagay yung soil or yung anong tawag doon? Yung binili natin na lupa para ilagay dito. Are you cold? Can you get that, please? Yeah. You wanna see the people to, come on, no, but can you please
Just
come on. No, you get clothes, please. So, ayan. Yung isa parang naglilimping. Hindi pantay. Okay. So, nung unahin natin, Sak, which one we're gonna do first?
the big one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yung big ones daw muna. Ang ganda dito kasi maganda lang. Sak, can you please put top on, please? Yun nga, sabi ko kay Jan, maganda sana kung mayroon siyang
When did you
gulong.
build that one?
This morning, Daddy did.
Where are you gonna put him?
Here, this side. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Iurong ito sa mga upuan. Ang ganda. Akala ko talaga una plastic siya. So, can you please get... No, we're not gonna put that there, Sag. For now, yes, put it there. Can you please get top on, please? Dito tayo sa labas.
Where?
Here? Here na lang, Nak. Here. Thank you. And meron din tayong nakaload na
Where are you?
clothes sa washing. Kasi ang ganda ng weather. Ano? Nalaban na yung uniform nila kahapon. Meron pang dalawang naiwan. Tapos yung ibang light colors. Okay. Both of them, Sak. The baseball hat and that one, please.
Friend.
Who's that? Aray ko, Sak. Wait, my hair. Okay, move, please.
Oh. Wait, we gotta get this?
No, not that one. That's for later.
What are we doing then?
Can you get... We're just gonna put the
Where's
soil.
Yeah, I know where it is. You put them up. Ready? I'll hold it, you cut it.
Okay. But, wait now. Wait. Get all the citrus first. The big plants. Now.
Okay.
So, you only have two?
Okay, right.
Wait, knock. I need that one. The citrus first. That one. No, no,
You're
no.
gonna take it out?
Yeah, later. We're just gonna put a little bit of salt first at the bottom.
Did we get these yesterday?
No, I got it time before.
Who's water?
Oh, come on, come on.
Look, Mum.
What? I know. Look.
Are these oranges?
No, it's calamansi.
Lime.
No, calamansi, the Filipino calamansi.
So where'd you get it from?
Bunnings. Okay, let's go.
And it's calamansi.
Yeah.
It's called calamansi.
No, they call this one. It's green.
It's
Kumquat. That's enough for now. More. Enough. Right. And then this one. Yeah, later. This one gonna put the half. No.
all of it?
Yeah. Put it in the bag. It's gonna be. And now, no. Get the one.
It's not actually wet.
Okay, can you get another one? You don't have to flat. You have to do that. Like what? Okay, that's enough now. Oh, that's too much. No, what are you doing? Oh my God. See?
Oh, it's not too much.
Yeah, we have to put that one.
Put it around there.
Can you get water? So now, it's gonna be hard now. This one, not that one. This one. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. More pa.
not all of it.
Ah, yeah, that's enough. That's enough for now. Water na. Oh, I think we need more now. Think so? Yeah. Put it on.
All of it. Grabe na.
Water first. The soil one. That's fine. Uy!
Uy.
Careful. More. Ay, Sa! Sorry. You're right?
Yes. Ah, Chona. See, I told you to put the white on the side and you didn't. Put that in.
Wait na.
About this now.
Uy! Get the other one. Oy, look! Bring me the garden bed.
Housing.
One third. Here. Where are you going? I'm gonna put that one. So next is garden bed. Find the. Yeah. It's already open. Wait. Ay, cookie. Not all, okay? Can you be more careful because it's all over my clothes?
Look at more clothes.
Okay, that's enough for now. I think.
You gotta look at bucket too.
I don't know. It's in the car. Maybe we mix with that one now. A little bit. ring talaga.
Go to that first one.
Maybe this one. No, can you move a little bit? No, a little bit. Not too deep for this one.
Oh, well, because you said we'll put it in up. Go.
Okay, the oregano. Oregano. Ay! And that. Maybe the chili? The chili for now? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Also, I'm wearing one of these shirts.
The soy one, the soy one. Okay. Next. Ayan.
Water?
No, if you have enough
Or yeah.
water. Thank you, Kuya. Sampay ni Kuya. Oh! Okay, let's move it. There's that. No. Move it here. Okay, so. Okay, let's put this aside. No. I think that one can go to the green pot. Can you just get that? Yeah. Wait. Can you get that pot? The garden bed?
No, there's not a thing on there.
No, it's alright.
There we go.
Yeah, it's alright. The garden bed. No, it's heavy. Okay. So you just be careful. Yeah, with it. Yeah, really good.
Lime dama.
Soil na. The pot. Soil.
Is this one open? This one's open.
How are we gonna do this? Okay, that's enough now. Oh, that's enough.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough.
Thank you, Zaki boy. We're done na, guys. Ayan na yung mga nagawa namin. So, eto yung garden bed na paso ang nakalagay kasi wala pa nga akong may transfer dito. In the future, meron na. So, nandito yung thyme, lemongrass, mint, and what's in here, Zach?
There is basil,
Sweet basil, dill,
oregano, grape,
and
and
chili, hot chili. Tapos, ito yung green na kumquat or kalamansi ata yan sa, kalamansi yan sa atin. Tapos, ito yung kumquat na orange ang kulay. Alright? Ang ingay ng kapitbahay.
some strawberries.
Ha? The net? Yeah, we will. Yung net pala nandun. Sa ano yun? Sa farm. So, where do you think we can put that one? You sure? Or bring the big one first. Or maybe we can put that big one here.
Why don't you just put them all there?
Alright.
So I
Okay.
need the bottom to stay. Or we
Wait,
can
remove this one first, Zach. Chucky boy.
yeah.
Remove this one first.
Put them.
That one. Yeah. We can put the garden bed here.
Alright, come help.
Okay. Which one? This one? Okay. It's light now. Wait. Art, my slippers, knock. Push, because we need the other one. Okay, thank you.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Oh, yeah, it is heavy. Oh my God. Aray ko! That hurt! Aray ko!
That's why you used to wear them.
Vlog pa more. Okay. Just don't push, please.
But you know, just ticks.
That hurts. Aray ko, wait. This is for now here. Or maybe this way. You know what? Can we move this chair first? And alis si Kuya, may golf siya. Good luck yan. Is he gonna pick you up? Dad will drive you. Alis kami. Alis sila, sasama ako. Kasi wala dito si Holly. Ako lang may iwan. Si Kuya mag-golf. Then si Sak sasama sa daddy niya. Then si Jan, i-drop off niya si Dimi kung saan tayo pumunta kahapon. So yung kamote, dalhin ko na lang. Dalhin ko na lang itong kamote. Then butter. Okay, alis na tayo guys. Dito tayo sa likod kasi si Dimi nasa harap. Yung running bed. Di ba nakato tayo? Good luck, yeah. It's hot. Do you put sunscreen? Okay, so yeah, good luck, yeah.
Let me know what's going on.
Yeah, love you. Dito kami sa bahay ni Demi. Ayan yung mga horses niya. Ang dami niyang horses. Zach, come on.
Helen girl.
Helen girl. Yung si Helen, asawa ni Demi na namatay last year or 2 years ago. So, ang pangalan ng isang horse dito, Helen.
Helen, come on. Come here, girl. Helen.
Ang daming horses. Meron pa dun. Helen. Pili tayo ng pots dito kasi mayroong mga pots na hindi niya naman daw kailangan. So, gamitin natin instead na bumili tayo. Fine. Yeah, looks nice. Be careful because there's a horse there, Sak. Come on. Ito, bato ng... Ay, kulit. Oh, well done. Okay. Yan.
This pot?
Any. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, it's just one.
It's alright. Just get this one na ko.
Not glass?
No. This one na. Get this one. Kuha tayong isa lang. Yung iba, ano siya, heavy. Yung parang clay. Ayan, malaki sana. Next time pag kailangan natin. Isa lang naman yung kailangan ko ngayon. Lagi naman pumupunta dito si Johnny Boy. Oh, yan yung mga horses, oh. Takbo na yan si Helen.
I'll see you through the week, John, or whenever. Yeah, I'll have to bring that shit up so it'll start.
Yan, pumunta siya sa Bunnings ulit. So, kumuha siya nito. Kasi binili niya yung gusto niyang bilhin kahapon. Punta pala kayo dito kay Hero. Sushi Hero. Kasi si Zach gusto niya to ang lunch niya. So, is it chicken teriyaki? 3?
That's good. That chicken.
It's 3? 3 of them? 4?
Yeah, that's what
Wow.
I gave you one.
Hi! Andun siya guys. Pinipicturean niya yung tree. Kasi nga gusto namin maglagay ng puno dun sa sa farm. Ang gusto niya kasing puno, yung hindi nalalaglag ang dahon. Kasi para less maintenance. Eh ako sana gusto.
Chicken's so good.
So good. Is all teriyaki? Yan ka. Yeah. Yeah. Smoky. Yan na siya. Sana nakuha niya yung name. Yung sa Google guys, mayroon na parang camera na pipicturean mo. Tapos sasabihin ko anong klaseng puno. Did the Google tell you what it is?
Calorie pear.
Calorie. Let me see. Okay, we asked the...
That's what it is.
Okay. We're gonna ask the gardenarium. We're gonna go to gardenarium there and ask. Ngayon talaga naghahunt ng puno. Eto, meron dito kaming gusto. Pipicturean nyo din this one. Ang ganda rin kasi nito. Oh. Where we gonna park? You have to park on the other side. Ah? Okay. Asya. Cute. All good? All good, Han? What is it?
Desert ash.
Descent ash.
Desert.
Descent ash. Tingnan natin kung bukas si gardenarium. It's open, Han. See? Told you. It's always open. Punta tayo dito. Where? Hala. Where are you gonna put? Where are you gonna put? This one. Oh, mama, titingin ako dito.
Where that stop?
No, ambulance yan. Ayan yung strawberries. Meron na tayo niyan. Punta muna tayo dito sa loob. Here's all the trees here. The lady's in the front there. Hi!
Oh, probably aren't you?
Ayan na. Tingin tayo ng iba pang fruits. Ayan, lemon. Yung kapitbahay ko kasi may lemon. Lagi niya naman binibigyan. Ayan, mandarin. Si Jamay gusto siyang bilhin dun sa unahan. Yung windmill na maliit. Para ilagay dun sa farm. Dito ko binili yung kalamansi. Ayan siya. Ano, saan ko ba yung binili? Binili ko yun sa Bunnings. Yung isang binili ko dito. Pero meron din sila nakalagay green. Mariposa plum. Diyan wala akong makita dito. Yung mga herbs na lang. Ay. Ito pala yung ibang fruits. Ito yung tinitingnan ni John. Nasaan na? Nilagay niya. Ayun na. Ayan na, oh. Ito yung gusto ni John. O, diba? Super hot. Eto wala ko nito. Kunin natin to kasi dami ng bunga, oh. Eto. Meron na tayo niyan. Ano ba bang wala ako? Ay. Sage. Wala akong sage. Pero, nagagamit ko ba ang sage?
Cherries.
Yeah, cherry trees.
Yeah, but I'm not sure what I've got in dwarf. There's big cherry trees here. I like the dwarf.
Ang dami niyang nakikita dito.
How does that? What's the
So it comes with the mounting big cast iron rod, and it's got the north, south, east, west weather vane
right.
thing on it, and yeah, it's all the real deal sort of thing.
pretty
Gusto niya
Oh, yeah,
ito.
it's
Nasa
that's the
300 plus. Sila nanay niya. Pick upin ko si Holly. Ano na guys, 5:40 na. Kwentuhan lang kami ni ma'am. Ito na. Ballerina din to eh. Okay, go! Careful. Oh! And si Jan nag-order siyang pizza. So, pipick upin namin ni Holly pag uwi. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Well done, Willow!
Ma, I had it on sequel.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ganda-ganda ng rosemary dito. Oh. Ganyan lang, tas i-trim mo lang, no, ma'am?
Oh, say, thanks for looking after me.
Pick upin namin yung order ni Johnny Boy.
Is there already ordered?
Yes. Guys, dito tayo sa farm. Nalampasan ko na yung farm kasi akala ko nandun si Jan sa bahay. Nandito pala siya sa farm.
Come on, Ma.
Well, kanina, nandito sila ni Sak. Nilagay na nila yung mga nabili kanina doon sa gardenarium. Ito yung pa-windmill ni Jan dito sa kanyang garden. Ayan, ang cute! Yes, Nak! Then, ayan na yung pine trees. Ilan ba? 1, 2, 3, and may dalawa. Ang cute ni John. Hindi natin siya na-vlog kasi nandun tayo kila Nana. Ayan na yung, ano to? Enduring Summer Red. So, may patouch na red dito si Johnny Boy. Ang cute. Ayan yung pine. Ganyan magiging itsura niya. Gusto niya yung pencil, ano lang, pine. Ayan yung parang sobrang laki. Yung payatot lang siya. Tapos, drinil niya dito yung windmill. Tama ba? Ayan, so pag mahangin, gaganyan siya. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung nandito si Sak. For sure nandito si Sak. And meron ulit pala si Jan na bagong horse. Hindi ko pa siya na-meet. Mga 3 days na ata siya dito. 3 days na siya dito pero never ko pa siya na-meet. Ito ang bago, hindi ko nga alam yung pangalan. So, kinuha niya etong horse na to doon kung nasan si Stormy. So, wala dito si Stormy. Yung isang horse na nandito. So, first time ko siyang mamimit at first time yun din siya mamimit. This is girl. Babae siya. Medyo green na yung grass ngayon. Hindi na ganun dati na dry. Kasi nga, ano na, autumn na. Pag summer, super dry niya, diba? Ngayon, medyo green-green na siya. At tumutubo na sila ulit. Yung mga baka na doon sa kabila. Wala sila, dito doon sila sa kabila. Tinara ni Holly. Andun yung mga baka, oh. Parang, isa ka rin here, Han? Wala si Sak. Naglaro kasi yung team ni Sak, kaya manunod yun ng football. Yeah. What's the name of this horse, Han? What's her name? Which one?
What's it called, Holly?
Mary?
That's a nickname.
Ocean Bliss.
Why Mary?
That's just a nickname. That's what Amy nicknamed her.
Mary.
Foot.
Right,
Hi. So what's this boy, girl? Girl, yeah, Mary. Ayan. Ocean Bliss.
like bliss is like bliss, beautiful. Like the ocean's bliss. Like
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay.
My ocean storm.
Ocean Storm. Ito
Okay,
naman si
flip that
Ocean Bliss. And that one is a friend. Who's that friend again, Han? Grana. Same as, yung nilagay dito si Storm, siya din yung kasama ni Storm. And ayan pala yung grass na kinuha natin kahapon.
There's the food in the
Yung
car.
kila Dimi.
Have you taken that?
get any food.
Is it?
No, you ate it lunch.
Would
Sinasabi
you go
niya.
home then come back?
No.
Dad, it's
What's
in
the
the car.
Yeah, we just turn around.
Yeah.
Ang lutong ng kinakain niya. Alis na tayo. Ayun na. Yung mga bucket. Si Holly magda-drive. Wow.
Someone hop on now.
No, I'm good. Thank you. No, I'm alright. I'm just gonna walk. Nandun na si Holly. Oh. Ngayon naman, mag-water tayo ng mga berries. Nandun na sila. May bunga ba? Every time may bunga kasi kinukuha agad ni Holly. Ayan, mayroon na naman kasi hindi pa sila ripe. Eto. Oh, naging okay na oh. Ay, ito wala. Nag-dry talaga siya. Tigas niya na oh. Ulay. Eto. Ito talaga ang lagi nagbibigay din ng bunga sa atin. Ito, hindi masyado. Ito madami, oh. Dami niya, oh. Dami. That's why the strawberries loving you, my love. Because you're looking after them.
These ones aren't growing.
No, that will take a while pa babala. Blackberries tsaka raspberries. Ilagay din ni Jan yung nabili niyang horse.
Where you putting it? I reckon that somewhere along on the top there.
But you won't see when your bushes are growing.
That's right.
Yeah, we'll take it down.
Just put it there, hon.
Where you want?
Ayan, dyan yung ilalagay.
That's like only if the, that's when the wind goes, it'll blow.
Yep.
We'll face it.
Ang ganda na. Hinihigpitan niya lang.
VJ.
You like that a lot.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, see ya! Si Holly dun daw siya sa daddy niya. Sasabay. Dito na rin para si Kuya, oh. Hi, how's your team doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So, ito yung
Cabana
Bites.
Yes.
And this is for Holly kasi hindi nagpipizza si Holly.
Oh, you.
What? This is mine, I think.
It's all that fun.
This is pumpkin.
What? How come there's only
And what's this?
red? There's only
What's this one? Supreme. And this one is? What's this
We
one?
normally have 4 pizzas.
Oh, I don't know. Daddy ordered this one. What's this one? Pepperoni? Okay guys, kaya na kami guys.
Time, so